2758, United type, ILS 28 right.
2758, runway 28 right, clear to land, good evening.
28 right, clear to land, 2758. Why are the runway status lights on for 28 right?
They were taking them down for maintenance, they should not be on.
They're on for both 28s.
United 2758, go around.
Alright, 2758.
Unfortunately, I should not let you land on it, even though realistically you could. So go around for now. Flight heading 280, climb maintain 3100, United 2758.
Stand by. Alright, one more on the instructions, please.
2758. When able, flight heading 280, climb and maintain 3100.
Heading 280, 3100, United 2758.
105, approaching holding partner.
14105 Heavy, stand by, I need to deal with these status lights.
Very fine.
2758, contact NorCal 135.1.
2758.
Ground, Philippine 105, query, how many more minutes do we have to wait?
Philippine 105 Heavy, I'm trying to deal with the status lights. They were not supposed to be illuminated, but they were. They're off now, and I'm trying to make sure that they're not going to come back on when you depart. So stand by just a second, and I'll get back to you.
Okay, stand by, sir. Yes.
Philippine 105 Heavy, tower.
Right, sir.
Philippine 105 Heavy, just be advised the status lights are disabled. The runway is clear. Runway 28 left, clear for takeoff.
So take up 28 left, Philippine 105 Heavy. Thank you.
Philippine 105 Heavy, thank you for your patience. Contact NorCal departure. Have a nice flight.
Thanks for that. Bye-bye.
United 2758's back with you.
United 2758, runway 28 right, clear to land, and just be advised status lights are unavailable.
Great, clear to land 28 right, United 2758.